If you spend hours typing every day, you know how much strain it can put on your wrists and forearms. That's where this wireless ergonomic keyboard comes in, designed to ease discomfort and boost productivity with its curved and split key frame layout. It naturally aligns your wrists and forearms, helping you maintain a relaxed posture throughout your workday. The keyboard's scooped keys are crafted to fit the shape of your fingertips, ensuring every keystroke feels responsive and precise. This design isn't just about comfort, it's about making your typing faster and more accurate, reducing fatigue even during long sessions. Adding to the comfort is the cushioned palm rest, featuring a soft memory foam layer. This curved rest supports your wrists gently, minimizing bending compared to traditional keyboards that lack this feature. Plus, its adjustable tilt lets you set the perfect angle whether you're sitting or standing, keeping your wrists relaxed no matter how you work. One standout feature is the ability to switch seamlessly between 3 devices. Whether you're connected via the USB receiver or Bluetooth, this combo supports up to 3 devices simultaneously. Switching between your work laptop, personal desktop, or tablet is as simple as pressing a button. No need to disconnect or repair each time. Compatibility is broad, covering Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X 10, 12 and higher, and Android 4, 3 or above. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone juggling multiple operating systems or devices in their daily routine. The ergonomic wireless mouse complements the keyboard perfectly. It features dedicated palm and thumb rests that cradle your hand in a natural position, reducing wrist strain and discomfort. Its 2000 dpi sensor offers precise control, making every move smooth and accurate whether you're browsing or working on detailed tasks. Extra buttons for forward and backward navigation make web browsing more efficient, letting you move through pages without reaching for the keyboard. This thoughtful design boosts your workflow and keeps your hands in a comfortable position. Both the keyboard and mouse come with rechargeable lithium batteries, 300 mAh for the keyboard and 500 mAh for the mouse. Charging is simple with the included Type-C cable, so you can power up quickly without fuss. To save battery life, the keyboard automatically enters sleep mode after 30 minutes of inactivity. This power-saving feature means fewer interruptions and longer use between charges, keeping your setup ready whenever you need it. Users in the United States have praised this setup for its excellent Bluetooth connectivity and ergonomic benefits. One reviewer highlighted how effortlessly they switch between a Mac laptop and Windows desktop, using Bluetooth and the USB dongle respectively. The battery life and overall functionality exceeded their expectations, all at a reasonable price point. If you're looking for a reliable, comfortable keyboard and mouse combo that adapts to your multitasking lifestyle, this wireless ergonomic set is worth a look. It addresses the common pain points of wrist strain and device switching without adding complexity. Imagine typing comfortably all day, with your wrists supported and your hands positioned naturally. This combo doesn't just promise comfort, it delivers it through thoughtful design and practical features that fit into your daily workflow. The ability to toggle between 3 devices instantly can save you valuable time and hassle, especially if you often switch between work and personal tech. No more fumbling with cables or multiple keyboards cluttering your desk. Plus, the rechargeable batteries and auto sleep mode mean you're not constantly hunting for replacements or worrying about running out of power mid-task. This setup is built to keep up with your busy schedule. Whether you're a remote worker, a student, or someone who simply values comfort and efficiency, this wireless ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo offers tangible benefits that matter. It's a practical upgrade for any desk. Try it when you're ready to experience typing and navigation that feels natural and effortless. The investment in your comfort and productivity could make all the difference in your daily routine. In short, This ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo combines comfort, convenience, and compatibility in one package. It's designed to reduce strain, enhance control, and simplify your multi-device setup. If that's you, someone who values comfort and smooth workflow, this setup deserves your attention. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their workspace without breaking the bank. Take the step toward a more comfortable, efficient workday. This wireless ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo might just be the upgrade your desk has been waiting for.